Want to make sure your Hotmail account is completely secure? Today, I'm going to show you how to log out of Hotmail from all devices, a must if you suspect someone else might have access, or if you just want to keep your account safe. First, head to the Outlook login page by typing Outlook login in your browser. Click on Sign In and enter your credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network before logging in. Once inside, go to your Outlook mail. Next, look at the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Microsoft Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, the control center for all your settings. From here, navigate to the Security tab. This section is where you manage everything related to protecting your account. Scroll down and find Manage How You Sign In to Microsoft. Under this, you'll see an option labeled Sign Out Everywhere. Click it and your Hotmail account will log out from every device it's currently signed in on. It may take a few moments, but once it's done, any unauthorized access is cut off. From now on, only devices you approve can access your account. Doing this regularly is a simple but powerful way to keep your digital life safe, especially if you check your emails on multiple devices. Take a few seconds now to secure your account. It's quick, effective, and peace of mind is priceless. Stay safe online, and thanks for watching.